Okay, it seems like I'm not able to access pentest monkey right now. So go to payload all the thing, reverse shell cheat sheet, and pull out nice shell, reliable one. This is, I guess, the most reliable. And we can actually, we see the same here. We can put it here or put it here. So just put it here and change this to our IP address. And let's say 999, and let's listen on that. NC and MVP 999, and if we successfully executed this, we'll have a hit back and we have access to the server. Let's do that. Let's see here. Oh, now we have access to the server. Who am I? www data. So now let's just get a nicer shell. Okay, this is basically just spawning and pin bash here so that we can have tab auto completion and we can go back and forth. See, I can't go back right now. So if I get this, I can, I still need to do a little trick for the screen here. Let's go Control Z to background and then stty row dash echo, now foreground FG, and then enter. Now I can go back and forth and I have tab auto completion, everything. Now let's ls. We are looking for a flag, so flag 3, but there is no flag here probably, so let's just cat those files, cat all those files, and find if there's something interesting. Okay, see, here's this flag 1, not flag 3, what we're looking for. So let's go up. It's an admin, so let's go up. Yep, we have a file called flag 3. So let's cat this file, flag 3. Yes, command execution harms the server. Okay, now we go to, let's just go here, echo flag 3, that 2 flags. Now it's given a clue for flag 4, PHP my admin. Now at first I tried to find any credentials on those files, and I actually did find some on those files. So cat all, we see actually config.php. we don't need to cat all, just config.php, and we see the database username and password and the database name root, and this is password exclamation mark. Now we can log into PHP my admin. You can just cancel that. Actually, was kind of a rabbit hole, because I tried to find the flag here in PHP my admin, but it turns out it's not actually here. But let's just follow this approach. Now we log in. I searched everything. There is no flag 4. There is a clue for flag 5, which is you got the root access, you got the flag location under, but this is flag 5, not flag 4, and I need root access to get flag 5. So I wonder if there is some kind of, I can access the configuration files from here, but nope. I go the easy way. I'll come here to the shell, so I can search the server for PHP my admin and just grep for any config file. Maybe conf. Okay. Config. I find a lot actually, and what I'm interested in, I think that one. Let's see. It's less that one. Yes, please. Can you? Okay, terminal is not working probably, so let's just cat that file. Nothing there, so it's probably another one. But I'm gonna cheat a little bit, and I know it's include PHP, but where is it? I guess that one. Yep, user share. So for the best. Okay. Of course, before I solve it, I didn't know that one, but it was funny because I got through this rabbit hole in the PHP my admin, so I actually got the flag 5 before flag 4, and then searched the entire disk for iHack for the flag format, and then I found it in that file. So here, iHack flag 4, iHack, you never use plain text password, and you can see here is the password. So this is the flag. Yep, flag 4. Now let's just do the same here real quick, because just to take notes. And the next step is to get root, as it's saying here, web security 5, get the root for your final flag. So we are looking as www data right now. We need to get root. So basically, when you have, like, I should probably did that before. I should have just echo root. It's very best practice during pentest to keep credential, or during CTF to keep credentials stored. This is password. So we have creds. So we have a username and password, but most sysadmins use the same password. Not most, like a good portion from them at least. So I'm going to try that first before I try to find SUIDs or anything that is used to to privilege to gain privilege escalation to root. So let's try that first. And this is the first thing you need to try, and it's actually working. It worked right now, and I got root access. Who am I? Root ID root. Let's go to our home directory, ls flag. We have some other files. If we cat this flag, cat flag 5, trolley flag is a root flag. So yeah, actually it is the same location. So cat flag .txt, and yes, use same default password again, iHack, same password again. So this is a root flag, or flag 5. Flag 5. Flags. Okay, so the web security is done. Let's just exit that. Don't need that shell anymore. Exit that. Yep, the terminal of course is messed up because we did the raw echo thing. So just close this tab and see you in a minute.